So how to install GoWish, your digital wish list app. Sorry, so just tap to install it, and this is the one of the top apps during Christmas holidays period. It's a digital wish list where you can create and save all your wishes in one place. Download the GoWish app, create profile, and add wishes that you can easily share with your friends. The app makes it easy for your friends and family to reserve and purchase your wishes. So yeah, like if you have holiday season and you don't want your friends to buy you some presents which you're never gonna use, like some books which you're never gonna read, like instead of that, you can just create wish list. Like you have some items there, share with your friends, share in the secret Santa apps. There is like draw names app, whatever. And then yeah, so people know exactly what you want and people just don't waste their money. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, just open up the app and then you can allow notifications, allow to track, and then you need to select where you live and then sign up, and then you can create an account quite easily. I think this app obviously works in US and also in Europe, so around the world. So you just create your account from here, and then yeah, this is the idea. So then you can see some inspiration, and then you can just create a wish list. For me, for example, create a wish list. You just go here and then you just tap new wish. You can just go to any web shop, find the product you wish, and copy and paste the link here. So just go to Amazon, whatever, Nike.com, any other brand, Adidas, some, whatever you want, and just paste it here. So that can be handy. So basically, if we go to Amazon, that and then we'll see some. Okay, so let's, for example, I just want these headphones, for example, and then I can just and then it automatically fetches all the information. And then you just scroll to the bottom and add wish. So it adds them in a very nice readable format. And yeah, here you can just have it like that. So it's quite handy. And then you can share and then you can edit it. You can change quantity, you can change URL. So that makes it super easy for for your friends just to basically visit this website and just buy it from there and deliver to you. Just you simplify the job for your friends basically. Then again, you can just add a link, and then you can also do like some custom whatever. Something like this, and then insert URL if you want, and then you can just add wish from here as well, and then yeah, you can just go to that wish list and see it from there. Then there are all the inspirations which you can see. Then you can also invite your friends, you can find friends. I don't know why it doesn't show me inspiration here, but yeah, this is my account. Enter. Okay, so you just need to enter a date of birth just as an example, and then select your gender, and then yeah, you can go to your wish list, and then you can see more inspiration depending on the country you are. For example, in Denmark, it just shows this. It will show you some trending gifts in the language you are using, in the like local brands. It can be, of course, different in US. Then there is a gift finder where you can just use the gift generator and find the perfect gift. So you can select, okay, here is the age. Just want to find the gift. And then there are some results. You can just filter them out. Then, yeah, some nice cologne, some t-shirts, whatever, email gift card, some perfumes, of course, and some, yeah, pants, all of these things like that. So, yeah, something like that. Can find a lot of things from here. So yeah, and then it can be just be helpful for you, like and yeah, that's basically what it is. Yeah, for example, you can just add it to your wish list, and that's the idea. Yep. And then at some point, if you want, you can just delete your profile from here easily. If you delete your profile, all your wish list will be deleted, and other users will not be able to see your wish list and wishes anymore. So then you can also do that. So yeah, that's basically what it is. Hope that was helpful.